This is Yale's p7400 paper folder. It's done in two levels. It's a p7200 as well as a p7400. The 7400 that you're looking at right here will handle sheet sizes up to 8.5 by 14. The p7200 will handle sheet sizes up to 8.5 by 11. It's an advantage in some cases because the 8.5 by 14 size will handle full legal stock, so that works out well for you. It's got a bypass onto here where I can put 3 sheets in it at a time. The nicest features are there's a price points onto this and the fact that you've got adjustable buckle plates. In today's world, having an adjustable fold plate at this price range becomes a very important issue. At the same time, I've got a reversible fold plate on the back sides so that I can take, instead of feeding it in like we normally would here, putting paper into here, I've got a bypass, so if I'm doing a half fold, I can do half folds very easily just by rotating this fold plate. On off here, I started feeding. You have full sheet control back here by being able to take and hold onto the sheets as we're doing it. So if I were to take and redo that again and set it up, I don't have to worry about shingling my sheets, doing anything like this. I set them in simply as they are. I adjust my fold width, my paper width right here. I've got marks onto here which you may not be able to see as well, both for 8.5 by 11 going all the way down to 3.5 by 5. But again, if I set it up and do the same thing, on, off, so I can turn around and do a standard letter fold, legal fold, whatever happens to be. At this price range, you've got a folder that will take and be able to handle virtually any paper stock. The question comes up, how many paper folds can it do? We've got 4 preset into here where we simply take and adjust where we want it to be onto it. If I was going to adjust it, I've got legal, letter. So if I'm going to letter as a Z fold, I would take and bring it into the bullet points onto here, turn around and turn the machine, kick it on, or I'm off, turned it off, sorry. I've got sheet control here. Take a look at it and evaluate what that fold happens to be if I'm happy with it, or I can make my adjustments because I'm set up on millimeters and inches onto here. Millimeters give you an advantage because it's a smaller count than a 1/16 of an inch in inches, so it leaves you a lot more latitude to tighten up on your folds.